Hello students, welcome to our class. In this class, we will learn the basic knowledge of new energy vehicle chassis. The automobile chassis is an important part of the car, which consists of four core systems: transmission system, traveling system, braking system, and steering system. The main role of the chassis is to support and install a variety of components to form the overall appearance of the car and receive power, so that the car can move to ensure smooth and safe driving. In this lesson, let's learn the basic knowledge of new energy vehicle chassis. 1. We have 5 learning objectives for this course, which are: first, learn the basics of new energy vehicle chassis. Second, learning the drivetrain. Third, learning driving system. Fourth, learning about steering systems. Fifth, learning about braking system. 2. Below we will learn today's content through the following 5 parts. Part 1. Basic knowledge of new energy vehicle chassis. New energy vehicle chassis consists of 4 parts: transmission system, driving system, steering system, and braking system. The role of the chassis is to support and install the automobile engine or drive motor and other parts or assemblies to form the overall shape of the car, and to accept the driving force to make the car move and ensure normal driving. And what are the characteristics of the chassis architecture of new energy vehicles? First, integration of electric drive systems. First, compared with traditional internal combustion engine models, new energy vehicle chassis architectures need to better integrate electric drive systems. The integrated design of the chassis architecture for electric vehicles needs to consider the rational layout of components such as battery packs, motors, and controllers in order to maximize the energy efficiency of the entire vehicle. Second, the pursuit of lightweight design. New energy vehicles have more stringent requirements for the efficient use of energy, so lightweight design has become an important design direction. The material selection and structural design of the chassis architecture needs to take into account both strength and weight to ensure the safety of the vehicle and at the same time reduce the overall vehicle quality and improve the range. Third, intelligent and connected requirements. The chassis architecture integration design also needs to consider the requirements of automotive intelligence and interconnectivity, as well as the rational layout of sensors, control units, communication modules, as well as the effective integration with in-vehicle communication systems, which will have a direct impact on the car's intelligent driving and connected driving performance. Part 2. Drivetrain. As shown in the figure, the transmission system of a new energy vehicle generally consists of a drive motor, a reducer and differential, and a drive shaft. The power from the drive motor is transmitted to the driving wheels by the transmission system. The transmission system has the functions of deceleration, speed change, reversing, interruption of power, inter-wheel differential and interaxle differential, etc. It works in conjunction with the drive motor to ensure the normal driving of the automobile under various working conditions and has good power and economy. What is the difference between the entire drivetrain of a new energy vehicle and the fuel vehicle? Traditional fuel vehicle transmission is a necessary transmission component, but electric vehicles are equipped with DC drive motors, can be realized through the motor controller torque and speed control. So the design of new energy vehicle transmission system can be used in both the traditional variable speed gearbox speed, but also can be used to control the motor with an electronic drive directly variable speed. Electric vehicle power output is more flexible and provides more possibilities for four-wheel drive form, such as independent decentralized drive. Each wheel can achieve braking energy recovery, but also eliminates transmissions, clutches, drive shafts, and other complex mechanical transmission devices. Transmission efficiency is greatly improved. Part 3. Travel system. The traveling system consists of the frame, axle, wheels, and suspension of the automobile. The function is to accept the power from the drive shaft and generate traction through the action of the drive wheels and the road surface to make the car move normally. To bear the total weight of the car and the reaction force of the ground is the impact of uneven road surface caused by the body, attenuate the vibration of the car traveling, and maintain the smoothness of driving. Cooperate with the steering system to ensure the stability of automobile maneuvering. Second, the driving experience of an electric vehicle is different from that of an oil vehicle. The power output of EVs is smooth and the acceleration is linear, so the vehicle's power response is more rapid during driving. In addition, electric vehicles are quieter and the cockpit is quieter. When fuel vehicles accelerate, the roar of the engine is more pronounced and the driving experience is more intense. When it comes to the driving system of a new energy vehicle, the electrification of the vehicle, as well as the weight and size of the battery pack, need to be taken into account, as new energy vehicles use a battery pack as the main power source, which is usually larger in weight and size than a fuel engine and fuel tank. As a result, the drivetrain of a new energy vehicle needs to support this additional weight and consider the balance of weight distribution between the front and rear axles of the vehicle. So there are differences in design and construction, as well as the strength of the materials from that of the drivetrain of a conventional fuel-fired vehicle. Part 4. Steering system. The steering system consists of steering wheel, steering gear, crossbar, and steering knuckle, etc. The function is to control the traveling direction of the automobile according to the driver's will, to ensure the stability of the traveling direction and the lightness of steering operation. Part V. Braking system. Braking system consists of front wheel braking system, rear wheel brake, brake manipulator, and brake booster device, etc. Its role is to make the moving car in accordance with the driver's requirements for forced deceleration or even parking, so that the car has been parked in a variety of road conditions to stabilize stationary, so that the speed of the car driving downhill to maintain stability. In the traditional fuel vehicle segment, automotive braking was originally a very simple and sophisticated mechanism. However, after entering the era of electric vehicles, the braking system has become more complex and versatile due to the presence of electric motors. In the field of new energy vehicles, the braking system shows two different forms: friction braking system and energy recovery braking system. Friction braking systems are similar to those used in conventional fuel vehicles, where the pressure generated by the brake pedal is transmitted by hydraulic fluid. However, the recovered energy braking system is different in that it cleverly transforms the brake into a generator, recovering the energy generated during braking through the electrical system and storing it in the battery for future use. In this course, we learn the basic knowledge of new energy vehicle chassis from 5 aspects, including the basic knowledge of new energy vehicle chassis, as well as the transmission system, driving system, steering system, and braking system of new energy vehicles. I believe that you already have some understanding, and I hope that you can review more and at the same time use the internet and other means to conduct independent learning. Deepen your impression and apply the knowledge you have learned to real life.